Okay, now we're recording.
Alright.
Okay, we got the dropper of the food coloring in the middle, and we squeeze one drop into the bottom of the oil.
Now we gotta think.
Okay, think about what might happen to the foam continents if you warm the dish from the bottom in the center. Make a hypothesis and right here. What do you think will happen, Christopher?
I think that if the food coloring gets warmed...
How about the oil? If the oil gets warmed?
I think that if the oil gets warmed, then these will move and then they'll crash against each other, forming a plate tectonic.
Okay.
Now we gotta light the candles slowly.
Alright, and this is the part I'm supposed to help you with.
Yep.
Okay. The candle's under here. Alright, back up, back up, back up.
Well, we misfiled it.
It's gotta be directly under.
Are you sure it won't melt the glass?
Yes. Oh, it looks like it's burning the glass.
Yeah, we'll have to clean that off. It'll clean off.
Man, this stinks. It's gotta be observed for at least 15 minutes. Guys, don't bump the
You're the
table.
one who bumped it.
Okay, both of you get back. Lizzie, down.
One has to be direct.
You can watch the video later.
It looks like it's melting. Looks like it's melting.
Looks like they're moving a little.
And it looks like it's melting.
Gotta be directly under the food.
Looks like it's melting.
I wonder what the food coloring will do.
We'll just watch. You're supposed to make a hypothesis. What do you think will happen when it gets hot?
I think that the oil will probably make the continents move either together or apart.
What's the clay and food
Kind of like a
coloring
plate
for?
tectonic.
What's the clay and
Tectonic
food
plate?
coloring for?
Yeah, tectonic. And the food coloring, I think, will expand.
Okay, because that's what things do when they get hot.
What's the clay for?
Rosie, stop hugging the table. Stop.
Elizabeth, get off the table.
I think that the oil will start bubbling.
If you want to stand on the chair, stand on the chair.
Mom, let's see.
Okay, Joshua, we're in the middle of an
It's
experiment.
gonna burn. It's gonna burn.
I need someone to get Abby, please.
Catherine, can you go help Abby?
I guess.
Okay, Christopher, you're in the shot.
It's gonna burn.
Or maybe you're not in the shot.
Excuse me. Ding. Okay.
Looks like that the food coloring is expanding a little. Joshua, don't blow the candles out.
Okay, Joshua, stop touching the table. You're shaking the whole experiment.
It's starting to bubble up.
Back
Joshua.
off, Joshua.
Oh, the bubbles are coming from the food coloring.
Ooh,
Little black bubbles.
a little bit boiled up, kind of like lava does.
Yeah.
Or
Oh,
magma.
look, yeah. So it'll probably be like a volcanic eruption.
Well, I don't know if it'll be quite like a volcano. Look, it cooled and now it's dropping back to the bottom in a different place.
That's neat. Kind of like when islands get formed.
Hey, have you see that little black speck moving?
Yeah.
What's happening? Look what's happened to all the islands.
They're getting transferred.
You mean they're being pushed away?
Yeah, they're being pushed away from
See,
the heat.
Look how the blobs are moving away.
Yep.
And then when they cool, they drop back down.
Yep. That's neat.
That's like islands are sinking.
Yep. So when the little food coloring gets warm enough, bubbles will come up that represents the islands. They'll spread apart, and then when they'll get cool, they'll sink, kind of like islands. Just like in the Magic School Bus episode I saw one day.
Okay, what
Look at all the islands.
What do you need to put in the food coloring?
Catherine,
Oh, and then all the little islands will make more bubbles.
Oops.
Whoa.
How's that for a volcanic eruption?
And then there will be even more islands.
Yeah.
This is cool.
I know Hawaii's an island.
Stop touching.
Yes, and plus it's part of the USA. Huh? It is?
Now it happened real slow, but see how all the islands have been pushed away?
Yep. I was right about the expanding part.
What do we need clay for?
See? Do you remember reading about Pangea?
Yeah.
Well, this is how they believe that scientists believe that the Earth's continents
Wait,
have
what
moved
is
around.
Pangea?
Wow.
Pangea was one large continent that
Supercontinent.
Now I remember the thing
See,
that the dinosaurs
even if we move it
lived
back,
on.
watch.
Whoa! It's even moving.
Well, yeah, it's moving because the pressure, the heat is rising and pushing out. Because when things get hot, they expand.
They expand.
Like this.
Doesn't look like it's going to erupt anymore.
Like steel.
Yeah, like steel when it gets hot.
And
Well, if you can see little ripples of where the oil is moving around still.
Uh-huh.
do we need to put in the food coloring?
We already did.
I don't see any food coloring.
Those black blobs. Those were the blue food coloring.
Oh. I missed it.
Well, we'll do it again. How about that?
Yeah. Let's do it again.
Maybe we'll do something new. We're gonna drop some blue food coloring on the plate, and that thing just gets sucked out. And then we squeeze it out like it's filling up.
Okay, Joshua. Hey, look. More little bubbles came out. Oh, cool. And when it sinks down, if it's close enough to the main blob, then it'll kind of scoop it up.
Hey, I see. He's
Right.
splash.
Here it goes. Okay, there we go.
It's a new main blob. Main blob.
Here we go.
Watch what happens when
Pop.
it'll heat up.
Look.
Yep, more little blobs
What,
will appear.
Oh,
Look, that
See how the continents have pushed further
whoa,
apart?
sweet! Sweet!
Whoa, that's erupting more than the last one did. Maybe
Because the
because
last one heated up slowly, and this one, it's already hot, so it's heating up
That's
fast.
green.
Yeah.
But watch how the little blobs, see the little ones that are
That's
floating?
like molecules.
Watch how they're floating away.
Yep.
That's like molecules.
Some of them are attacking Antarctica.
Well, they're moving towards.
Whoa.
It looks like the tadpole's in it. Because it makes movements that do that.
Okay, stop touching the table.
Oh, wow, look. Maybe if we're lucky enough, a lot of the blobs will be joined
Yeah.
as one.
And
Hey, look, that little one is getting ready to erupt. It looks like. But that... Whoa!
They're attacking Africa!
Oh, look. See?
They're
They're
attacking
becoming lots
Africa!
of big blobs.
Look, someone attacking Africa!
They're not attacking, they're just moving toward.
So it's like toy boats.
Sorta.
Yeah. So it's like
We'll
boats.
artificially move North America closer to that again and watch what happens in South
It'll
America.
move.
Whoops. South America just got sunk.
They'll move.
Okay, watch. Now I'm going to let go. Boom.
And now they're going to move back. Away from the heat because when
See how the heat's pushing it away?
Because when something gets warm, it'll expand and push out.
Like this.
But see how when they bump into each other too, they make the others move?
Yep. That's something called plate tectonics.
Hey, they connected.
Sorta.
They connected.
See how they're making each other move?
Yep.
Oh, isn't there supposed to be a plate tectonic with Africa and Asia.
Wow.
One heat section is bigger than the other.
Yeah, this is neat.
I think another one's gonna erupt soon.
Okay, that's been going for about 10 minutes. I think we've seen enough. We've seen it all happen, okay?
All right, bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mrs. Harrison.
Bye, Mrs. Harrison. Bye.